Learning window. Words that are added to a sentence to express some sudden emotion or feeling of the speaker are called interjections. Interjections are included in a sentence, usually at the beginning, to express a sentiment such as surprise, disgust, joy, or excitement. They are grammatically not connected with any other part of the sentence. When written, interjections are usually followed by an exclamation mark. Study this table to understand which interjections can be used to express various emotions. Interjections: hooray, ha-ha, wow, yippee. Emotions expressed: happiness, gladness. Ha, what? Hi, hello. Oh, good heavens, dear me, well, surprise, greeting. Bravo, well done, appreciation. Oh, alas, oh dear, ah, ouch, sorrow, pain, pity. Hey, listen, behold, look, ho, calling or drawing attention. Pooh, what a shame, contempt, ugh, yuck, disgust. Hesitation. Hush, shh, making or becoming silent. Phew. Relief, amazement.